Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to connect walls. So as example I will draw a wall and we create again at this point. Now if you want to connect between these two walls, we can use the adjust point. You can select the wall objects and then click in this adjust point, click hold and then you can move to connect. Click again to apply. So I will click at this wall. You can click in adjust points and then you can move into here to connect. Now another option, if you want to create continuous walls, you can select the wall tools and then change the geometry method in here into this option. So to be automatically create the continuous walls. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to connect walls.